So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel Tech Baljeet. In today's video, I am going to download Play Store for the Windows PC 10 version. So without getting any delay, let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, to download the Play Store, you first have to open the control panel. Let me first open the control panel. And once you have to open the control panel, you guys see here is the option of program. Here click for program and open programs and feature. And you guys see here you have to type turn Windows feature on or off, and once you guys click on it, you guys see a pop-up for these options, and here you guys have to make sure the virtual machine platform is checked and Windows hypervision platform is checked. And also one feature is all of this is Windows subsystem for Linux is also checked. If this is not checked, so guys checked it, so that Play Store is installed on your system, and then click on OK, and you guys see it is going to for search the required files, and once it going, and when it's apply the changes guys, it seems me to restart the computer. So let me first record the recording and start the recording after restart. So yes guys, after restart, you guys have to open the Chrome and here search for. Once you see a GitHub profile of Mustard Chef, open it. And once you open guys, you have to scroll and find for Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your system has Windows 11 download, then go for it. My system has say Windows 2. I can show you. Let me show you system information, and in system information you guys see I have Windows 10 Pro. So for Windows 10, I am going to download the latest stable builds. If you are Windows 11 users, then download latest stable builds for Windows 11 64-bit system. Yes guys, for Windows 10, you have to click on this link. Once you click this link, you are redirected to this website, and here after scroll, you guys have to see this first build, and you guys have to click on it, and it is going to be download. Yes guys, my AB download manager is open and going to download. If you guys don't see my video, that the alternative of IDM is AB download manager, and that is a very good option for download. You guys see it is easily download my 640 MB in just seconds. This is not take time. You guys watch out my video on that topic. I will provide the link in I button or in description below. Yes guys, it is download now, and let me open the folder. Once you open the folder, you guys see you have to extract. Let me delete this one so that you don't confuse. Yeah, let me first delete. Yes, and yes, that file I am installing, I have to extract this file. I am extracting this file, and yes guys, you can see it is going to extract. Once it extract, I will tell you what to do to download Play Store. Yes guys, it is extracting now, and once the file is open, you guys see there is a folder, and here search for run.bat file. You can see here it is run.bat, and click on this one on it, and you have to run this at administrator so that it can make changes in your device. Allow the permission which it's asking, and after allow this, you guys, it is asking for some permission, you have to allow. The operation is completely successfully, so that's good, and it is going to installing our system configuration accordingly. Download the Play Store, so wait for it, it take time, so keep patience. Yes guys, our Windows subsystem for Android is going to download. You have to click on continue, and then again in pop-up you have to click on continue. Yes guys, it is going to download. It take times now. After that you guys are able to access the Play Store, so keep patient. Yes guys, you can see here is Play Store. Open, and you guys app using the subsystem required additional screen reader. Yes guys, got it. And you guys see Play Store in now my system. Good one. So it's requires sign-in process. Let me first now search. Is it come? Yes guys, now you can see Play Store is in my system. So first let me sign in. So after signing I am restart the video. Okay, so keep wait for it. As guys you see, when I open Google Play Store after sign in, it show me this. Yes, I am in, not now. So guys, you see I am logged here, and now you are able to access the Play Store. That's good. Now you can download the COC, Free Fire, and any other games that you like to play in your PC. Just go and simply click on install. Simply go and download any app you want to add on your system. That's cool now. So let's create a shortcut for this one. Window R shell apps folder. Oh yeah, that's right. Come on. Okay, so once it show me all apps in my system, and I am going to show you that Play Store in now is my system. You guys see here it is Play Store, and then I have to create a shortcut for Play Store, and I am click on yes. And now guys, you can see Play Store is now on my system. That's good. Play Store, and I can easily want to make this open, pin to the taskbar. Now I am getting Play Store, and after opening I am able to access whole games like I can search for FF. That's game you can download from here. That's good. So guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.